the most hyped anime of the season. For the longest time, I have restrained myself to not read the manga because I want to watch and genuinely enjoy this anime with a fresh point of view, no expectations, without knowing anything. I only know that this is about a man who turns into a chainsaw and is kind of bloody and brutal. And so here I am, watching and reacting to the pilot episode of Chainsaw Man. Let's go. The breathing. It's already starting off with a suspense. I feel like I'm watching a horror film. Ooh, the way they cut through the music and then the silence comes in. So what do we got here? Is this the main protagonist? I believe he is, based from the trailers. A dog. Alright, the title of this episode is Chainsaw and Dog. Damn, look at the details. Those are like real trees and grass. 60,000 a month? Is this guy already in debt? One of my nuts? This guy has only one nuts? Living off with only one nuts? Holy shit. That's a lot of that. Oh! Pochita. Pochita. So it's like a devil hunter? Oh, devil hunting. Okay. Oh, we got the opening. Damn, look at the quality of this opening. It doesn't feel like 2D at all. It's so fluid, the movement. The way he's cleaning the bowling ball is so weird. Oh, whoa, whoa. I wish that was me. Where are you grabbing at? Oh, it's King Nu. This opening is already one of the bangers of the season. That demon is dancing to the song. That was a good warm-up. So the dog turns into a chainsaw. So basically, Pochita is his weapon. I like how he was holding the chainsaw dog. Oh, for 100,000, that's a lot higher than what he was expecting. Damn. May utang pa. Oh, at least may natira. All gone. Like everyone else, once you have the payday, all the bills, no one's left. Nothing's gonna left on your wallet. This is reality right here. Oh, Pochita's gonna eating. Just gonna only eat a slice of bread for today. After all the hard work it had done. Oh, so it was his old man's death. So he's not a real devil hunter. He just a normal guy. this bastard. Oh no. He's that desperate just to earn money. I kinda feel bad for him. I bet he's pissed off deep inside. Oh. He knows how to live in this cruel world. He knows how to satisfy those who are above him just to survive. Is that his mouth? Why does it look like a sack? A ball sack? Oh, that's too sad. No, you won't. I saw the opening, you'll definitely have a lot of hot girls. That's the mindset. Oh, so we're getting a flashback. This is his dad? Is his dad a devil hunter? So ever since a kid, he's living with his father's death. Oh, so this is where they first met. I'm curious what kind of creature Pochita is. Is he a devil? Oh, okay, okay. Is it making cute noises? Oh, it hurt. It's hurt. It's bleeding. So I guess they found a common ground. I mean, they're the same. Oh, poor Pochita. I really like the design. Oh, so this is how they formed a contract to be with each other. Okay, okay. So after, I like how his eyes turn to just a cute circle thing. So that's how it went. It's so cute, damn. Oh, that's sweet. Goals. Aw. Is he coughing blood? Oh no. Is it because he only have one sack of nuts? Ha, just kidding. Oh. This is so tragic. He's dying. He's basically dying. Though his design is really cool. I like the eye patch. It reminds me of the one from The Gray Man, the one with the hammer. I think it's Levi, not from the Attack on Titan, but I believe it's his name is Levi. The bookman. This looks like a really shady old building. I like how he's carrying Pochita around and his legs are just hanging down. What's happening? Is this a trap? Oh no, are they disposing him? Mm-hmm. No. Is he? Oh no. He's being disposed. Oh shh. The both of them. It's a oh. This old bastard. Oh. Oh. Damn, what's that thing behind him? It's big. The fuck? So all this time the Yakuza is being used by this demon? Okay. Okay. How ironic, lah. Like, they're killing devils and now they become devils. This suddenly turns into a horror zombie movie. Shit, the sound. Look at the movement, it's so fluid. If it's him just running, it's so fluid. Dumbass. Dumbass zombies. Oh, Pochita is also bleeding. Look at the movement. This is not a normal walking animation. Oh shit. Fuck, this is so brutal. Ah! It's being butchered. Alive. I can't count how many stab that zombie has made. Did he survive that? What the fuck? His head was cut off. Even Pochita. No, he's still alive. Oh. Oh. Pochita's dreaming. Also, he also uses Pochita as a normal chainsaw. So that's what he meant with the trees earlier. Oh. Oh. No one's gonna feed him anymore. Okay. Okay, so this is where we're going at. Okay. Then just a nice guy. He really cares about Pochita. It's like his partner. Oh. Okay. I see. I see. So that's what happened. They fused together, okay. I wonder if he retains his mind. It talked. Okay. So only his heart. So the mind, Denji's mind is still there. It's still, basically it's still him. But a part of him, the heart, was from Pochita. Oh. Good thing he wasn't eaten by the zombies. You're dead. You're all gonna die. I mean, like, you're already dead. But you're gonna die again. Yeah. Men are just greedy creatures. I mean, human in generally. The build up. I like how they're building this scene up. So that's the trigger. Ooh. Is he now like an immortal because he's part devil? There it is. There's the sound. The sound of death. The sound of a massacre. Damn. Hell yeah. Shit, man. Look at that boy. It's payback time. Ooh. First blood. You're gonna be the first kill for the Chainsaw Man. Damn. Oh, so he's not losing his sanity when he's transformed. Ooh. Brutality. This is pure massacre. Yeah. It's just slicing those zombies like butter. Damn. Damn. Even the movements, it's so realistic. Ooh. Ooh. The sound of chainsaw is really cool. Damn. Look at the shot. Look at that shot. It's like partly CG, but are they using the same technique that Ufotable is using, it doesn't really look like a bad CG. Yeah, ooh. We're not done yet. We're not done yet with the massacre. Oh, the old man. Yeah, right. It's finally free. Yeah, the laugh of a madman. That was bloody and awesome scene right there. So what now? Is he gonna be recruited or is he gonna be hunted as well? Because he's now partly a devil, right? That eye is so beautiful. Oh, he's still there. Are they gonna capture him or kill him? He looked like he went out of battery. I'm so happy for my boy. He finally got the hug from a girl that he wanted for so long. So is that how he reverts back? I think it's not possession. They like literally fuse together. Yes. Yes, mommy. Yes. Yes, feed me, mommy. Would definitely go with the latter. This guy only wanted breakfast. Oh, that's a lot from what he usually eats. I love this angle. Oh god. Definitely I wish that was me moment. That was a nice and a brutal way to start the show. You can't really put Chainsaw without massacre in it. The whole episode is just like pure massacre. Just like Denji, Mappa is also killing it with the production. It's just the first episode and they are already flexing their god tier animation. This is definitely a series worth the hype this season. And Pochita's so cute. I now understand why everyone has a plushie of him.